Hi, this is INFINIX Note 12 2023 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner on the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, the fingerprint scanner works secure, fast and correct, and I will just unlock the device successfully less than in 1 second with a simple touch on the power key button. I'm not pressing it, I just simply touch it. As you can see, we just successfully unlocked our device. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face of the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.